Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a tea bag fold Christmas tree card. Now, before you ask, no, I have no idea why this fold is called the tea bag fold, but every video and tutorial I saw online called it that, so clearly that's what it's called. And if anyone knows the reason, please tell me in the comments because I'd love to find out. So I'm going to be using the beautiful 'Tis the Season Designer Series paper for this card. This is one of my favorite paper packs from the August to December mini catalog, and you can tell it's one of my favorites because this is all I have left of it. And of course, this paper is retiring soon, and right now it's available at a 20% discount, priced at $12.60 while supplies last. I just love the charming imagery and the beautifully simple color palette of real red, cherry cobbler, garden green, and shaded spruce. So to make this card, you will need a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a white layer of 4 by 5.25 inches, a piece of designer series paper that's 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches, and then you'll need several squares of green designer series paper. Now these could all be the same pattern or a variety of patterns like I have here, and it could be any green you like or even a variety of greens as long as you think they look good together. So you'll need one each of the following sizes: 1.5 inches square, 2 inches square, 2.5 inches square, 3 inches square, and 3.5 inches square. So I'm going to start by folding each of my squares to create score lines in every possible direction. I'm going to fold in half vertically and then fold in half horizontally. I'm going to fold in half on one diagonal, and I'm going to fold in half on the other diagonal. And each time I'm going to crease those folds really well with my bone folder. So now that I've created all of those score lines, I've got a couple extra folds to make. I'm going to start with the largest square, and I'm going to set it on my desk as a rectangle, or rather, it's kind of like a tent pointing up. Now, what I want to do is push in on this center score line here, down towards my desk, while also allowing the diagonal score lines on either side to come up and meet in the middle. So I'll show you that again. Come a little closer so you can see better. What I'm doing is folding in this score line here to allow these diagonal score lines to fold together and meet in the middle. And I'll do the same on the other side. I want that score line to fold down and the two diagonal meet in the middle, so that you're left with a triangle shape. Now I'm going to repeat this again on each of my DSP squares. And finally, one last fold. On each square, now triangle, you'll see a score line down the center of that triangle. Now what I want to do is fold each side of the triangle in to meet that center score line. So the top two sides of the triangle are going to meet in the middle. Like so. So these two pieces used to be the top of the triangle. They fold in to meet in the middle on that center score line. Now in this case, you are creating a new fold, so you want to make sure to burnish with your bone folder. So now I'm ready to assemble my card and my tree. Now you'll see that each branch of your tree can slide easily into the one above it, but you don't want to slide it all the way up because that looks really silly. You just want to leave a little bit of space so that your branches look full and even. And then you can finish by decorating your tree however you like. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions, including mystery stamping and bring your own project, where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your very own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!